Pumpkin pudding, very easy recipe, which is vegan, gluten-free and low carb. You can prepare it for 10 minutes. Here I have 400 milliliters of pumpkin puree. I made it by boiling one of my homegrown pumpkins. This one is Hokkaido, and I just used a blender to make this puree. I will need 200 milliliters of canned coconut milk. This one is 10% fat. And a pack of the simplest vanilla pudding, which you can find. This one is based on cornstarch, so it's gluten-free. Mix it with the coconut milk. Mix well until it's smooth. For this pudding I will not use any sugar because pumpkins are naturally sweet and because I'm preparing a low carb dessert. But if you want, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. I prefer to serve it when it's ready with a tablespoon of honey on top. I'll add this mixture to the pumpkin. At this point I have not switched the stove on yet. I'll mix both well. And now I will switch the heat on. You need to cook this on medium heat until it starts bubbling. When it starts, it needs just 1 minute. It will start thickening very fast. You have to see some bubbles on top. The cornstarch needs just 1 minute to cook, so when you see the bubbles, it will be ready. See? It's getting thicker already. You have to stir it all the time because it will thicken very fast, and because it's already thick, it will bubble like lava. It's a good idea to wear apron, not like me, or to stay a little bit away from the stove. See? It's ready. Switch off the heat. Prepare 2 small balls. If you want to turn it later upside down, you can wet them with water. I will not. Try to divide the pudding between the 2 balls. The pudding is ready, leave it to cool, and later you can serve it with a tablespoon of liquid honey on top, if you don't find it sweet enough. It took not more than 5 minutes to prepare this simple recipe. It's vegan, gluten-free and also low-carb dessert. Very simple and easy to make. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description of this video. And if you like that idea, click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more simple ideas like this one.